Trust me. Believe. That's 10 out of 10. I'm sorry, but this gonna have to get 8 out of 10, bro. What up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I will be doing another cooking with Kendrix. Before we start, would you guys please subscribe and comment down below what I should cook next? But sorry for not posting. I will be cooking chicken fried rice. Already got the chicken seasoning, so let's get it. Make sure to leave a like too. Subscribe, turn on the post notifications. I'm going to put the chicken on the pan so it can fry up, and we're gonna put it on there, and then we're gonna see what's popping. Alright, we here. You see, we about to put that all on that plate. Hey guys, we about to get this cooking. We're gonna put it on 3. People be saying I don't be cooking it, then who else cooking it though? Exactly. I'm telling you. See, it's on 3. And now it's about to start cooking. I'll get back with you in a couple minutes. Oh, here go this it's sizzling, bruh. Look.
Gotta add that little pop of seasoning.
Still sizzling, guys. Look cool. I moved it around so the seasoning get everywhere. About to be good. Done. The butter. And we got 2 cups of water, and we got the rice. We got a little Asian seasonings right there. We're gonna put that on.
You gonna mix this stuff?
Looking good, so once we add all the ingredients, you never know. The water, make sure to stir and then let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. And I'll put the chicken on top. Let it cook with it. But this gonna be tasting good, so let's get it. Alright, we about to add the water onto it. Oh my god. Look how savage this rice is. Gotta add another cup though. I'm adding another cup of water.
And the seasoning.
And the seasoning. Oh, here they are. Are they coming off? What is this? I got it. Can't even open this. Assistant, I'll take the scissors. Thank you. Alright. Finally. That was an epic fail, but it's still seasoning. It's still about to be good, so now start it. This is how it's boiling. So, and we're gonna put the top on so it can simmer. We're gonna add the chicken and all that, and it's gonna get popping. It's about to be good. Alright, let's do this. Come on. See, now I'm getting better at a cooker. So, we just gonna let it cook right here. Leave it on there so it can simmer a little bit. Alright? Alright. I put the chicken in. This is how it looks. Oh, I'm about to put the chicken on. Here we go. Move it around so it does get everywhere. It's chicken fried rice. So. Yeah. Progress. We almost done with this course. So let's get it done. Cooked and finished. Now it's time to go taste test, bro. We is about to taste test it, man. I'm for real. I'm about to taste test it, bro. Alright. Shoot. And it's only chicken fried rice this time, so I'ma like do it individually. I'ma taste it real quick. Yo, yo. This is really good though. Trust me. Trust. Alright. I mostly got the chicken right there, so I get that. That chicken though. That's 9 out of 10. Actually, I'm talking about. That's 10 out of 10. Not too much salt. Alright. Let's get it. Now we gotta try some of this rice. Tangy. Got some seasoning to it. Sorry, but I cooked it myself. Only reason I'm giving this an 8 out of 10 is because I wish I had this rice spicier to match the chicken. But the chicken is altogether just good. That's my opinion. So, it was good to me. My cooking be the bomb. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys later. Subscribe to my channel, please. Let me hit 50 subscribers, bro. Peace out.